We are given a circle with an arc AB, and that arc sustains an angle of 60 degrees and with radius of 7 centimeter. So we're now asked to find the value, the length of this arc, which is the distance from here to here. Okay, to do that, you just observe and see what is the formula of finding the length of an arc. The formula is length of an arc is equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r, where theta here is the angle at the center 60 degrees, and our pi is also constant, 22 over 7 is given, and our r, the radius, and from here is given to us as 7 centimeter. Now substitute. The length here is AB. AB equals to theta 60 degrees over 360 degrees times 2 times 22 over 7, that is our pi, times our r, which is radius, given to us here 7 centimeter. So now you can multiply everything and divide by everything here. But if you do that, you suffer. So try and reduce the load. So from here, this degree and this degree will go. 0 and 0 will go. In fact, this 6 here, 1. 6 in 36 is 6. Wow. 7 here will go. 7 here will go. You can see divide something. 2 here, 1. 2 into 6 is 3. So the length AB will be equals to everything here are gone except 22. That is 22 over 3. Everything down are gone, only 3 is value. But don't forget it's in centimeter. So AB equals to, if you divide 22 by 3, you get 7.3333. So you have 7.333 centimeter. That is the length of the arc AB. I hope you enjoy the class.